In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Udemy when it's not working on Chrome. Whether it's a frustrating issue with videos not loading or the site not responding, we'll help get you back to learning in no time. Let's dive in and address the problem with a few simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser and direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a small vertical three-dot menu icon. Give it a click. This menu houses several options essential for adjusting your Chrome settings. Next, find the Settings option from the menu and click on it. Once you're inside the Settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled System. This is an area that provides various controls over how Chrome interacts with your computer resources. Here, you'll find an option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. By default, this setting might be on, which can sometimes cause issues with certain websites like Udemy. Go ahead and toggle this setting off. Turning off hardware acceleration can alleviate many performance-related issues, especially those caused by graphics rendering on your machine. Now, you'll need to restart Chrome. This is a crucial step as it ensures the changes you've made are fully applied. Simply close your browser completely and reopen it to refresh all your settings properly. Once Chrome is back up and running, return to that familiar three-dot menu in the top right corner. Click it, select Settings once more, and then navigate to Privacy and Security. In this section, you'll want to click on Clear Browsing Data. This step is important because clearing cache and cookies can resolve many problems stemming from outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. A window will appear, presenting you with a few options. Focus on selecting Cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. These choices ensure you're clearing the right types of data that might be causing glitches with Udemy. Keep in mind that doing this will log you out of most accounts, so be sure to know your passwords before proceeding. Finally, hit the Clear Data button. This action will wipe away the selected data and hopefully remove any corrupt files or settings interfering with Udemy's performance. Once again, close all your Chrome windows and restart the browser. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have addressed the common issues causing Udemy not to work properly on Chrome. Remember, technology can be finicky at times, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can usually fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.